Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on the application of CapCut. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of CapCut and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.